Chemistry 2024, held at MANUU 2024. As we are concluding this enriching gathering, let us reflect on the profound insight, collaborations, and innovations that have marked our journey over the past days. Throughout this conference, we have delved into the frontiers of applied chemical sciences, exploring novel methodologies, groundbreaking discoveries, and transformative applications. Now, I would like to call all the dignitaries and our chief guest, Professor Razaullah Khan sir, Director of Distance Education, MANUU. Please take a seat on the dais, sir. For briefing the 2 days events happen in the International Conference in Chemistry 2024, I would like to call our Dean Professor Salman A. Khan, School of Sciences, to come and share his views on it.
Assalamu alaikum. A very good evening and welcome you all. Our chief guest, Professor Razaullah Sahab, Director, Directorate of Distance Education. Our colleagues and dear participants. First of all, I congratulate you on the grand success of first International Conference of Chemistry 2024. The success of conference can be judged by the responses what we have received. We have received more than 150 abstracts from the universities, IITs, institute, industries from the India as for broad, including Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, and China. Heartiest congratulations to all participants, as without their support, this conference would not have proved to be beneficial to the scientific research. I convey my special gratitudes to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Syed Ainul Hasan Sahab, Research Registrar Sir, Professor Ishtiaq Ahmed Sahab, for their support, guidance, which gave us self-reliance to organize first international conference in chemistry in MANUU. Now conference reaches in concluding session, that is valedictory session. I feel extremely glad to welcome our chief guest, Professor Razaullah Sahab, Directorate of Distance Education, for gracing the occasion his presence. Welcome you, sir. It is my honor to welcome you all. You have come as well as joined with online with us from across the India and abroad to share your valuable knowledge on recent advance in applied chemical science and made this conference a memorable event. It was a great privilege to us to interact with many young minds and experienced academicians. I offer my gratitude to all the dignitaries who chaired the session and patiently listened the presentation of the participants and give your valuable suggestion. I hope you enjoyed the conference and it's enlightening you all. Thank you. Thank you all. Once again, I welcome you all to the valedictory session. Thank you.
In continuation with our Dean Sir's views, as we embark on the next phase of our scientific endeavors, let us continue to push the boundaries of the knowledge, foster the interdisciplinary collaborations, and strive toward a future where the participants of applied chemical sciences empower to create a brighter, more sustainable world for the new generations. I am pleased to call the convener of the ICC 2024, Dr. Qasimullah sir, to present the report of International Conference in Chemistry.
All is well that ends well. Alhamdulillah, we are in the last leg of the two-day international conference, the valedictory session. This 2 days conference has been successful with kind cooperation of you all. Thank you so much to all the participants who joined with us through online or offline. We received in all 150 abstracts from international, national, and local researchers. Each and every presenter tried to showcase his or her research with a great deal of involvement. I would like to thank to all my colleagues, research scholars of chemistry section, and also appreciate their dedications and devotions. I am also thankful to all the UG and PG students as well for their efforts to make the conference successful. I am highly thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar, and other officials for the crisp cooperation and patronage. I am highly grateful to our Dean and Director of the conference who guided us step by step to make the conference a grand success. I am also thankful to all the non-teaching staff, technical staff of IMC, engineering section, and CIT for providing all the facilities. Thank you all once again, and we'll meet again on 4th and 5th March in another international conference in science, all disciplines. Registrations are going on. Thank you so much. All the best for future.
Now, it's time for the feedback from the physically present participants. I would like to call Amruta G. Savle from Marathwada University to share her feedback here.
Hello everyone, I am Amruta Gautam Salve, a research scholar from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University. This is my first ever conference where I have presented my first presentation, and that too in an offline mode. Away from home, in a completely different state, I came here and felt so much welcomed, and there were so many people who showed so kind gestures towards me. Not only the organizers, the teachers or the faculty members, but also the research students or the research scholars who belongs to this university. So I am very grateful to have met with such great people. Secondly, there were so esteemed speakers that were called upon here, and they have enriched me with so much of knowledge, and there is so much that I am going to take today with me from this 2 days conference. And I am really grateful that I happen to be a part of this conference, because it is said that there is no wealth richer than the wealth of knowledge. So thank you so much for giving me this platform and this stage at the start of my career. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amrita. Now we have another participant, Pooja Gosavi from SPPU Pune University. Please, Pooja, come and share your views.
So, good evening, one and all present here. I am Pooja Gosavi from the Siagad Institute, Pune, from the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So, thanks for giving me this opportunity to tell my experience about this 2-day national conference organized by Maulana Azad National Urdu University. So, it was a great experience for me. It is my first international conference. I am an M.Pharm student. So, this conference will be beneficial for me for do my research. I don't have so much idea about the research and all, but by getting all the information, knowledges arranged by this organizer or the presenters, I get so many informations or the knowledge, and then it is very appreciating that so much of knowledge and idea we are getting as a student or a researcher from this university, and this 2 days conference is worth for me to getting so much of knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Pooja. Now we are moving toward the next phase, and I would like to call Dr. Salahuddin sir to introduce our chief guest, Professor Razaullah Khan sir, Director of Distance Education, MANUU Hyderabad.
Very good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest of this event, Professor Razaullah Khan Sahab, Dean, School of Sciences, Dr. Salman Ahmed Khan, and convener of the conference, Dr. Qasimullah Sahab, my esteemed colleagues, dearest research scholars, and respected guests came over other states, and dear students. It's indeed a great pleasure, and your kind words of appreciation is a testimony that this conference is a great success in terms of personal and professional way. So I congratulate my colleague and MANUU in general for successfully organizing such a truly international conference where people from throughout the world could join and share the platform, having a different way and different areas of working, but particularly focusing on how a chemical molecule can play an important role in understanding the situation, understanding and betterment of society, betterment of conditions of the people. And you have been evident that since yesterday, a lot of lectures talk about a small, tiny chemical, small molecule to humongous alkalides can share you or help you out to solve various disease conditions with diagnostic processes. And most probably, this is a unique platform which allows people from throughout the areas to come and share their knowledge in various parts. So it's a privilege for a School of Science and section of chemistry to have esteemed chief guest, Professor Muhammad Razaullah Khan Sahab, who is a director for distance education. You might be thinking why chemistry section is requested Professor Razaullah Khan Sahab, because to have a person with more than 30 years of teaching and research experience in finance and IT is a truly privilege for any vacation. So big loud of applause for him. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Because, you know, chemists can come and tell you, yeah, you are doing great. But if somebody comes from entirely a different field and see how chemicals can utilize for the betterment of society, for the country, and for the whole humankind. So you will see with these talks, and it's been amazing to go through all the talks. Like few scholars just mentioned, it's their first conference outside of their native place, and they feel privileged, they were happy. So agar mehman khush hain to phir successful conference hai. We are very lucky. So to say a few words, sir has instructed me not to say much, but it's my present duty to say at least few words. Sir has more than 30 years of teaching and research experience, and sir has been in many places leading the departments, and one good example is our distance education system, which has 12 satellite centers in pan-India, different states, and more than 160 regional and other staff, and he's controlling and he's trying to provide an education to the people, those who are not accessible otherwise. So that's a great thing for MANUU. For a lot of us, it's a pride moment. Sitting here and trying to provide an education throughout India at their doorstep by providing the books and all other material they require. And sir is a professor at the Department of Management and Commerce and Management. And sir has more than 20 MPhils successfully led and 12 PhDs. And there are many more working with him. And he has more than 50 publications, national and international. And sir is serving presently, helping MANUU in fact, and contributing through his services for IQAC and all other NAC and other many committees. So it's a privilege for a School of Science to have him as our chief guest. When he talks, you will realize who Professor Razaullah Khan sir is. So with these few words, I would like to welcome Professor Razaullah Khan Sahab for his presidential remark.
It's good evening. Professor Salman Ahmed Khan, Dr. Salahuddin Sahab, Dr. Qasimullah Sahab, delegates from different parts of the country who are attending the conference, either in offline or online mode, and all the people who are associated with this initiative of international conference. I feel privileged that I got a chance to speak with the people I don't understand. The subject, it's not at all related to me, but sometimes you may be able to appreciate the way people appreciate by just listening to what has been done. I have been listening to Professor Salman and Dr. Qasimullah Sahab, Dr. Salahuddin. I came to know that 150 participants is itself is a testimony to how good the response you people have given to the call of MANUU, section of science, that is School of Science for the international conference. Kudos, congratulations to the director and convener and whole organizing committee for this. I do little, I may say, have knowledge of where the research is going in different subjects. I know that chemistry is the subject where it is more research intensive. Whatever you produce is a capital asset. Sometimes you may get the process patented that gives you the knowledge asset in your kitty. We know that India is also marching ahead in different arenas of research, including the chemistry. The number of patents filed, if you study in 2008, because I have some data pertaining to knowledge economy of 2008, which is being released by one of the institute called Institute for Knowledge Development. It's basically an organ of IMF and World Bank. Now that particular organization is responsible for measuring the progress made in different directions, right from primary education to secondary education, higher education, including research. And one of the pillar is the different types of patents you have registered either with US or with Indian Patent Office. You will be pleased to know that during the last 15 years, India made a remarkable progress in this direction. Of course, we are not very much near to US and China, but of course, we are much ahead than other countries where the original research is being done. Sometimes we don't find the research options, but we do have a lot of options available in chemistry. Because once a process is developed and it is being patented, after 20 years of time, it gets out of patent list. So you have a lot of opportunities to develop such molecules where you can try a method or a process which is not infringing. From a non-infringing route, you can develop any molecule and you can get it patented. So this is a great opportunity you people have. And there are lots of opportunities that are available from different funding agencies. ICSSR you talk about. Then you talk about the Department of Industrial Research, DIR. Then other so many. In 2021, government has come up with a comprehensive policy on development of drugs and molecules. You can see that India wants to have such molecules developed in India which can replace Chinese product. As I know from far, as a student or as a researcher, I feel that there are lots of options available to us. But we can have this only when it is being funded. So a lot of agencies are there which are funding. You can tap those agencies. You can take advantage. And I hope that whatever the research you people are doing, including the new frontiers of chemistry, including new areas in which I may say basic, plus already made chemicals you are developing from new routes. So lots of opportunities are available. And the number of, researchers who presented their cases here, I request Professor Salman Ahmed Khan to get it, compiled in the form of ISBN book. So that will add value to whatever the contribution these researchers have made in this conference. That will be a memoir. It's a sort of a memory you people have. And whatever the need you need, you may require for getting the ISBN, we are ready to help you out in this. Thank you so much, and I hope that, whatever the deliberations that have taken place here will go a long way in the days to come. Thank you, all the best.
To welcome our chief guest, Professor Razaullah Khan, Director of Distance Education, DT MANUU, I request our Professor Salman A. Khan, Dean of School of Sciences, MANUU. So please welcome our chief guest with bouquet and the memento, ensure. Our chief guest will release the abstract book of ICC Conference 2024. It's really an honor, sir, for us to have this release by the hand of you. We are really grateful, sir. Now I would like to give the mic to the Dr. Salahuddin, sir, for the announcement of the further results.
As I said, the most exciting part, it's been a hectic schedule we were following since 2 days, and it's quite difficult for the committee itself to reach to a point to whom they should choose the winners, because every participant is a winner, and most of the talks were really, really good. So the committee has a tough time deciding this, but again, one have to come up with an idea. So, sir, we have 3 prizes, sir. The School of Science has decided, chemistry section, to have 3 different categories. One is the best oral presentation, 2 prizes in that, and 2 best poster presentation, and 2 young scientist award. Based on their performance, based on their projects and delivery, the team has a criteria beside them, in front of them, and they decided these 2 people. So the first, I would like to announce the poster presentation, Mr. Liaqat Ali from HCU for the best poster presentation. So I request Mr. Liaqat Ali come over the dais and collect your prize in best poster presentation category. So I request our chief guest and dean and convener, Dr. Qasimullah Sahab, to please hand over the prize to the winner. Mr. Liaqat Ali in best poster presentation from HCU. The second award goes to our own student, Mr. Sohail Ahmed, for the best poster presentation. A big round of applause. It's really a privilege to showcase your skills at this stage and win the prize. So the first prize goes to Bhavana Sharma, oral presentation from Applied Chemistry, A. Aligarh Muslim University. I think most probably she might have joined online. A big round of applause for Bhavana Sharma of AMU for winning the first prize in oral presentation. And second prize goes to, again, our chemistry section is privileged enough, our own student, Aram Rahman. Aram Rahman, I request you to please come over the dais and get the best oral presentation award from our respected chief guest. A big round of applause. I don't feel it. Believe me, it's a great feeling, when you get awarded for this. And the last and most important part is our School of Science section of chemistry decided, why don't we have a unique, like Young Scientist Award? So this Young Scientist Award goes to first Zishan Ahmed, Applied Chemistry, Mr. Zishan Ahmed. If I'm right, he's from also Aligarh. Manimuddin Sahab, yeah. A big round of applause. I'm sure he might be joined through online. His presentation was online. And finally, Our own student could crack this. Our own student, Mr. Mohsin, from chemistry section, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, has won this Young Scientist Award. Congratulations, Mohsin. And a big round of applause. It's a great pride for our school. And thank you, sir. Thank you. I respect our chief guest to please come over the dais. Respected Dean, sir, and convener, sir. Yeah. Now it's a time those who came all the way from much far, they can receive a certificate. An online subscriber will receive an electronic version of it. Yeah, please go ahead. And I request, go sir, please.
So now we are moving toward the certificate distribution of today's valedictory session. The participant, Ms. Pooja Mukund Gosavi from SPPU Pune University. Please come here. Second, Ms. Tuba Khan, Ms. Razia Banu, Dr. Sarvani Khanam, Ms. Amruta G. Salve from Marathwada University, Mr. Fazle Rasul from School of Sciences, MANUU, Mr. M.D. Zafar Alam, School of Sciences, MANUU, Answer. Mr. M.D. Mohsin, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU. Mr. Yata Shravan Kumar, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU. Yeah. Ms. Javeria Zareen, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU. Ms. Aram Rahman, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU. Mr. Anzar Jahan, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU.
Ms. Samreen Kausar. Mr. Sheikh Rabbani. Ms. Samreen Azhar. Ms. Nuzhat Fatma. Ms. Nikhat Nawaz. Ms. Nagma Jamal. Mr. Mujassam Soli Ali Sokat. Mujassim Ali Sokat. Mr. Muhammad Azhar. Ms. Bushra Rahman. Ms. Arjuman Sumayya. Mr. Bilal Ahmed. Mr. Mohammad Naseem Ansari. कोई नहीं रहने एक मिनट मिस उम्मे सलमा नसीम अंसारी है तो पीछे
Mr. Sohail Ahmed, Chemistry Section, School of Sciences, MANUU.
It's a token of appreciation for the chemistry section faculty. Now I request Alimuddin sir, please Dr. Alimuddin to come over. Acha bhai.
the Dr. Alimuddin sir for the faculty appreciation. Please sir, come on. Faculty member, Ms. Razia Bano ma'am. Now for the certificate distribution, I would like to call Mr. D. Thavamani. Please come on dais, sir. From Tamil Nadu.
All the way from Tamil Nadu, he came to attend this conference.
Now I would like to call Dr. Salahuddin sir for the vote of thanks.
And ये एक रस्म होती है कि a formal vote of thanks, so I was being asked to do this. So on behalf of organizing committee, section of chemistry, School of Science, MANUU, I would like to thank each and every individual to be with us online and offline, and those especially coming all the way from other state taking a pain and join with us and share their ideas. And it's a great event, I can say. As our chief guest has said, our dean sir and our convener sir, receiving 150 participants abstract is not an ordinary event. It's indeed a great event. And to conduct this event smoothly, it's a great pain. So every event has a man of the match. So I say our convener of this conference, Dr. Qasimullah sir, a man of the match. And very congratulations, sir, for successfully conducting this event. And any match can't be won just by the captain. You need supporting players, you need an umpire, you need an entire team. It's indeed an entire team, but perfectly professionally guided and helped by our Dean School of Sciences, Professor Salman Ahmad Khan sir. I appreciate you, sir, for your kind help and tireless work. It's in just 10 days. It's all happened. When we start planning, I myself was not scared. How can we gonna do this event in person? But Alhamdulillah, with the help of each and every individual, with your immense guidance, it went well. And again, our colleagues, Section of Chemistry, Dr. Alimuddin, Dr. Razia Bano, and these are the few names. But again, as I said, not last, not but the least, every research scholar played an important role. I would like to take names individually: Mr. Mohsin, Mr. Zafar, Mr. Sohail, Samreen, Kausar, Aram Rahman, Anzar, and Juwaria Zareen, and Salma, Salima. A big round of applause for their tireless effort for making this conference a successful event. Yeah. And yeah, for sure, I will come. MSc, as Sir said, it's a great opportunity. We are so lucky to have you with us, and MSc means second semester students with us. So a big round of applause for them, their help, their contribution, and tireless effort to make this conference a successful event. And again, technical staff, our section staff, Mr. Faisal, if he's around, he's here, and Mr. Amit Kumar. Big round of applause for them. Because these guys are working with all of our students with us. And again, MANUU in general, the authorities, those who permit us to conduct this conference, and IMC team. Thank you very much. Be patient with us coming on weekend. It's very rare. And electrical section and IT. And I should appreciate and salute you, your dedication. And all of them, those who join online and offline, all the participants. And our madam, who came all the way from Nagpur, sir, from Tamil Nadu. And if I forget any name, please forgive me, but this conference is successful because of your love, affection, and contribution. And we hope this provides a wonderful platform to listen wonderful talks. Now the chemistry, what's been done around the globe, and it will inspire us, go and do much better for us, for our society, and contribute to develop our country and make India really a true world leader. So with this, Jai Hind, and thank you all. I request IMC team to follow the national anthem. So I request all of you to please stand up and listen to our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you.